Hi guys, I'm hungry for some steak. Let's get cooking. Before getting started, make sure your steaks are at room temperature. Season the steak with salt and pepper. Make sure to cover every corner of the steak with it. Don't be afraid to over-season. While we let the season soak into the steak meat, let's prepare our potato. Place the potato in the oven at 450 degrees for about 20 to 14 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Cut the potato in half and scrape out the innards into a pan to smash and mix. Be careful not to damage the potato skin. After the potato has been mixed with ingredients like egg, shrimp, scoop it back onto the potato skin and rebake it for 20 minutes. While the potato is cooking, let's cook the steak. Heat up your cast iron pan and season it with butter. Once the butter is melted and spread, place the steak onto the pan. Add rosemary, parsley, and basil to flavor the butter that the steak is soaking up. Baste the steak frequently by scooping melted butter with a spoon and pour it on top of the steak. Once the bottom side of the steak has been cooked for 2 minutes, flip the steak and cook the top side for the same. While continuing to baste the steak, add extra butter as needed so that the steak remains juicy. You can also add additional garnish such as garlic to enhance the flavor. Also, don't forget to cook the side of the steak. Once done, serve the plate and enjoy the meal.